Once upon a time, in a bright and happy jungle, lived a little lion named Lala. Lala had golden fur, big shiny eyes, and a loud voice. Lala loved to play. He loved to run. He loved to jump. And he loved to roar. Roar! Lala roared loudly. Sometimes his roar was too loud. One day, Lala was playing with his friends. Mimi the monkey was climbing. Taro the turtle was walking. Kiki the bird was singing. Suddenly, Lala shouted, "Roar!" Everyone jumped. Mimi fell. Taro hid. Kiki flew away. Mimi started to cry. "I'm scared," she said. Lala felt sad. "I didn't mean to scare you," he whispered.
Everyone's so scared.
I'm sorry, I was just playing.
It's okay.
Lala went closer. "I'm sorry," he said softly. "Please forgive me." Mimi wiped her tears. "Thank you for saying sorry." She smiled. Lala took a deep breath. From that day, he spoke gently. He played kindly. He shared his toys. Soon, everyone was happy again. Lala smiled proudly. "Being kind feels good,"
Being kind feels good.
he said. And it really did. Remember, dear children, kind words and gentle hearts make the best friends.
My friends, let's have a group hug. Your smiles make my heart happy. Let's play together. Thank you for watching. We had so much fun.
Subscribe for more adventures. Goodbye, see you soon.